confusion regarding treatment and taxability related to works contract under the previous tax laws. However, GST has now removed the confusion around the tax treatment of works contract. Watch this video till the end to discover how GST simplified the taxability of works contract. Hi everyone, I am Maishri from Clear. It is India's largest tax and financial services platform. Clear serves more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Subscribe to our channel to know more about business taxation and GST updates. Works contract means a service contract involving a supply of goods to execute the contract. Hence, works contract is a mixture of services and transfer of goods. Examples of works contract are the construction of a new building, erection and installation of plant and machinery. Let's look at how works contract was taxable pre-GST regime. Previously, the supply of goods was taxable in the form of VAT and the service was taxable under service tax. If a new product appeared in the process of completing a works contract, central excise duty was levied. So different aspects of one single activity were taxed by different laws and caused a lot of confusion regarding taxability, which is why there were so many legal disputes related to works contract. Now let's look at how works contract is taxed under GST. As per GST law, a contract for the construction, fabrication, completion, erection, installation, fitting out, improvement, modification, repair, maintenance, renovation, alteration or commissioning of any immobile property in which the transfer of property in goods, whether as goods or in another form, is involved in the execution of such contract is referred to as the works contract. GST Schedule 2 clearly mentions that the supply of service means construction of a complex building, civil structure or a part thereof, including a complex or building intended for sale to a buyer wholly or partly. Works contract including transfer of property in goods, whether as goods or in some other form involved in the execution of a works contract. Thus, GST has removed the confusion regarding the tax treatment. This means works contract will be treated as service and a tax would be charged accordingly. Is the works contract under GST making sense? If it is, write clear in the comments below. Do let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. GST law mentions that input tax credit is not available for works contract services when supplied for construction of an immobile property other than plant and machinery, except where it is an input service for further supply of works contract service, goods or services received by a taxable person for construction of an immobile property on his own account other than plant and machinery, even when used in the course of furtherance of business. The input tax credit is available to both a builder and a taxable person while constructing plant and machinery, but the input tax credit is not available to any taxable person who constructs on his own account, even if it is for business use. As a result, the input tax credit for works contract can only be obtained by someone who is in the same line of business as them and is using the services they have received to supply more works contract services. The GST rates applicable for various classes of works contract are as follows. For composite supply of works contract supplied to the government, the GST rate is 12%. For construction services as works contract for a building project, the GST rate is 12%. For works contract mostly involving earthwork to government, the GST rate is 5%. For oil exploration works contract, the GST rate is 12%. For works contract by subcontractor to main contractor who provides above services to the government, the GST rate is 12%. Composition scheme is available to works contractors from April 2019 provided turnover is up to Rs 50 lakh. With the composition scheme extended to service providers, small service providers can benefit. So folks, that's it for today. If you have any doubts about this topic, please mention them in the comment section so that we can clear your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.